ZANU-PF, the center of gravity in Zimbabwe's political universe. Sanapita mashoko ano yachikweshena machiti, is Zimbabwe slowly becoming a one-party state? Nezviri kuitika munyika munomu nevanhu vari kuramba vakaklinga onto power. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina unomodo wenyika mchinzi. Zimbabwe's unfolding political story is in recent weeks has been nothing short of revelatory. What we are witnessing is not merely the dominance of a party, but a crystallization of a national reality. ZANU-PF has ceased to be just a political organization. It has become the political ecosystem itself. Every major conversation, from fiscal policy to social commentary, inevitably orbits around it. The nation's discourse, whether in parliament, on the streets, or across digital spaces, finds its rhythm and relevance only in relation to ZANU-PF. Even the most strident opposition voices, once animated by defiance, now betray a quiet acknowledgement of this gravitational pull. They no longer frame alternatives, they frame reactions. Goto observes. The conversations are not against ZANU-PF, but about it, through it, and increasingly within it. The so-called influencers of dissent now find their currency in proximity to the ruling party, seeking validation from the very establishment they once disavowed. ZANU-PF has thus transcended the binary of ruling and opposition politics. It is the living architecture of the state, the custodian of sovereignty, and the steward of Vision 2030. Others may be political names, but in the grand theater of Zimbabwean governance, there is only one enduring protagonist, ZANU-PF, the idea and institution that has become the nation's center of political gravity. Ndomasvika kuda panguva ino achitsanangura achionekwa kunzi ZANU-PF panguva ino ndo yanguva the main talk of the nation, ndo inongotaurwa pese, ndo yadominata nyika, and panguva ino consolidations ari kuitika. Vanhu vanyatsoona kuti ZANU-PF iri kunyatsoda kuconsolidata power kuti irambe iripo kusvika nokusingaperi. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pamene comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.